Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Well, I'm going to give some wonderful speeches now that I didn't write. They were written by young people in my community as part of the Raise Our Voice in Parliament campaign. Now, the question young people were asked this year is what steps should the government take to build a better tomorrow for young Australians? And, well, the young people in my community have not disappointed. 11-year-old Scarlett said, "Healthcare is a concern for young Australians, but affects all of us. 1 in 4 Australians struggle with accessing healthcare. The government should make a change because it will earn them more money and save them money. When you're not sick, you're probably not at work to earn money, and lots of that money would most likely go into the economy. It will save the government money because having healthcare will mean that people will get illnesses or diseases addressed before it becomes a big problem. And that's good because it keeps more people out of hospital, so they're saving money on our hospitals. About 46% of Australians have put treatment off due to cost. That's why I believe that the government should increase the amount of bulk billing doctors in Australia." Samuel and Isaac. Now, they're 10-year-olds, and I met them just recently at their beautiful school in Aldinga, and they said to the honourable members of Parliament, "There are many ways the government can support young Australians to have a better future. Living costs are so high, petrol costs are so high, our parents are struggling to pay for our needs. It would help to lower taxes and to find another way of making money for government services. You could also lower the tax on petrol, making it cheaper, which would mean supermarkets would not have to increase their prices as they are not paying for high transport costs. We could get wealthy companies to pay more tax and individuals to pay less tax. Thank you for listening to our voice." And 11-year-old Carson talked about supporting small local businesses. He said, "Imagine a future where every single child in Australia lives in a thriving community with access to shops and essential amenities. By investing in supporting local businesses, our government has the opportunity to empower young people with access to local communities and jobs. It would be a successful and profitable step for the government to support and take action in strengthening local businesses so they can thrive. In turn, more taxes could be generated, creating a stronger Australia and a brighter future. Imagine a future where everyone had easy access to local businesses, where people don't have to drive kilometres upon kilometres just to get a simple carton of milk. The future of Australia rests in its small towns. Let's make the future happen today." So thank you to those wonderful young people, and congratulations to Ashley Streeter-Jones, the founder and CEO, who's created a wonderful program for our young people right across Mayo and Australia. Thank you.